Hey friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix unhandled exception access violation error in Arc Raiders game. So if you're getting this error in Arc Raiders game on PC, then here follow the fixes. The first fix is to modify the game launch option. You can try -dx11, -dx12 or -d3d11. So here how to do it. Open Steam, go to library, right click on Arc Raiders game and then select properties. Now in the launch options type -dx11, launch the game and check. This fix has solved the issue for many players, so I hope this will work for you as well. If it doesn't work, then again go to the properties and this time type -dx12, close the tab and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then again go to properties and this time type -d3d11 and then launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Now if it's still not working, then again go to properties, remove the command from the launch options and follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 2 is to verify the game files. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Arc Raiders game, select properties, go to install files tab, then click on verify integrity of game files, and after the verification has been done, then you can launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Third solution is to run the game as an administrator from the game installation folder or try running the game in compatibility mode. So open Steam, go to library, right click on Arc Raiders game, select manage and then click on browse local files. It will take you to the game installation folder. Right click on Pioneer game exe file and then select run as administrator and then check if it works or not. If it doesn't work, then open the Pioneer game folder, open binaries folder, open Win64 folder, then right click on Pioneer game exe file and select properties. Now go to the compatibility tab and tick mark run this program as an administrator, click apply, OK, and then launch the game from here itself and check if your problem is solved or not. Next solution is to again go to the compatibility tab, check mark run this program in compatibility mode for select Windows 8 from here, then hit apply, OK, then launch the game and check. Or you can also select Windows 7 from here and then hit apply, OK, then launch the game and check. Or you can also check mark disable full screen optimization, hit apply, OK, then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then again go to the compatibility tab and untick all these three options and then hit apply, OK, and follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 4 is to update graphic card driver. So in Windows search type device manager and open it, expand display adapters, right click on your graphic card driver, then select update driver, then click search automatically for drivers, and after this close this and then you can launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then perform a clean installation of graphic card driver. So if you have AMD graphic card driver, then go to AMD website. If you have NVIDIA graphic card driver, then go to NVIDIA website, and if you have Intel graphic card driver, then go to the Intel website. Links are provided in my video description. You have to search and select your graphic card driver version and reinstall it, and then you can launch the game and check. So I am showing the example of NVIDIA graphic card driver. So go to this NVIDIA website, and once you are on the NVIDIA website, you have to enter your driver version over here and then select Windows operating system and then click on find. You have to download GeForce Game Ready driver. So whatever is the latest version, you have to download and install it. So click on view, then click on download. And once this exe file get downloaded, then you have to run the downloaded exe file and select yes to allow and then click OK. You will see this screen. Click on agree and continue. Then select custom advanced option and then hit on next. Then tick mark perform a clean installation box and then hit on next. And after the clean installation of graphic card driver is done, restart your PC and then launch the game and check. Fix 5 is to turn off antivirus programs. So if you are using any third-party antivirus programs such as Komodo, Avast, Kaspersky, AVG, McAfee, Norton, Bitdefender, etc., then turn off your antivirus program. And after playing the game, you can later turn it on. Fix 7 is to update Windows. So go to Windows settings. On the left, click on Windows Update and then click on check for updates. And if there are any updates available, then download and install them. And after installing the Windows update, just restart your PC once. And after you restart your PC, then you can launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 7 is to uninstall and reinstall the game. This is the last solution. So simply uninstall Arc Raiders game from your PC, then restart your PC and then reinstall the game to C drive, SSD drive. If already installed in C drive, then try installing it to another SSD drive or any other external SSD drive, and then you can launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. So these are some fixes that you can try to solve Arc Raiders unhandled exception access violation error on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.